In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to archive Cash App transactions. Now Cash App doesn't have a direct button to hide or delete individual transactions, but there are two options you can use. The first option is to archive your history. For that, tap your profile icon in the top right, then scroll down and select Privacy and Security. Inside this menu, you will find an option called Request Archive. When you tap on it, Cash App will prepare a file with all your past transactions and send it to you by email or through a download link. That files becomes your archive and you can save it on your computer or in the cloud. The second option is to completely delete your account. If you are very serious about removing all transactions so they no longer appear in the app, you will need to close your account. Before doing that, make sure your balance is zero and move out any stocks or Bitcoin. Then go to your profile icon, scroll down and go to support. Under support, we wanna click on something else. Under it, scroll down again and go to account settings. Under account settings, we wanna scroll down again and then go to close your Cash App account. Follow the steps and once your account is closed, you can even create a new one if you wanna start fresh. So to sum up everything, you can request an archive to save your history or you can delete your account if you want everything gone from the app. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.